Hi there. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import presets in Lightroom Classic. Before we dive into it, be sure that your version of Lightroom is up to date. Then proceed to open Lightroom Classic. Once you are in Lightroom, be sure that you first import some images before we import the presets. If you do not have any images imported, you will not be able to see the presets in Lightroom. Head on over to the Library panel and click on Import on the left-hand side. Locate the images you want to import, select them and hit Import. Select an image from your newly imported photos and select the Develop module. Now we want to head on over to the Presets panel, usually on the left-hand side, and click on the plus icon. Then select Import Presets. Your Finder window will now open. Locate where the presets have been downloaded. Make sure the folder has been unzipped. Open the folder and select Desktop, then XMP. For older versions of Lightroom Classic, you will use the LR template files. Select them and hit Import. And that's it. You have successfully installed your Lightroom presets. You can now proceed and apply them to your photos and adjust them to your liking. Thank you for watching. We do hope you enjoy our presets. Remember to adjust them according to your preference. Goodbye.